Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Elizabeth and actually I am pretty much new to YouTube. I love YouTube. I love making videos. Soon I'm going to be doing a Q&A in one of my next videos, kind of just to for you guys to get to know me, but that's going to be another video. Today I'm doing my second Allure beauty box video. This is my second Allure beauty box and it is the April box, but I did just get it yesterday on May 1st. I don't know why I got it so late, but I did. So I kind of just want to show you guys what I got in the box, kind of explain to you guys what I got, and yeah. I only had the box twice, but so far I like it. I get like little samples you get in the box, and it's cool because instead of going out and buying products that you don't know if you like them or if they work good with your skin, it's good to get samples so that way you can test them out to see if they work with your skin, if you like them, and all that jazz. So I'm opening the box. I already took the plastic off of it. It kind of just looks like this. It is, I believe, $15 a month, and it's a subscription, so you get a monthly box until you decide you don't want it anymore. You could always cancel it. But like I said, this is my second box. So I'm just gonna open the box. And last time the box said something really cute in here, but today it's kind of just blank. So with every box comes like a little pamphlet. It looks like this, and it always tells you everything you got and a review of somebody that likes the product and how much the regular version of it is, since I do get the samples. We don't get full products, but I think the one product is like a big, like the full size, but everything else is a sample. I think you get just one full size product in every box. So to start, I got a nude stick gel color lip and cheek balm in the color J Mama. Ooh, okay. And it looks like this. It looks like this, and it is a pinkish brown crayon. That's what it says. It looks like this, and I guess you can sharpen it because the bottom doesn't twist. And I'm pretty sure this is the full-size product that I got in the box. It's a nude color. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's very pretty. I love nudes, and honestly, I am so happy I got this because I could literally wear this every day. So it says in the pamphlet, the pinkish brown crayon is really pretty and really sheer, so it's hard to go overboard. And it's perfect for touching up in dimly lit restrooms after a few glasses of wine, or when I'm using my phone's camera as the world's least reliable mirror. I like to dab it on my cheeks from the side of the crayon and give it a few taps with my finger to blend the shade into a soft, believable flush. So from what I just read, it is not only a lip color, you could also use it as blush, which I think is really cool, but I'm probably never going to use it as blush. It is $24, and you could use the code Allure10 to receive 10% off your order from April 1st through June 1st. And it is called, I can't talk today. It is called Nude Stick Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. The next product I got is called the Original Makeup Eraser. And this says it is a sample. I just dropped it. It says, my eyes are really sensitive and most makeup removers sting, so I was excited to try this thing out. It's a soft, fuzzy piece of fabric that you just run under warm water and smooth over your skin. And it's supposed to take off a full face of makeup. Okay, and it is $20. This is the sample size, but the original looks like this. It is $20, and if you use the code JUSTWATER, you will receive 25% off your order, valid through April 1st through June 1st. And yeah, so let me open it and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Chloe, my kitty, she's crazy. She runs into walls, like that's how crazy she is. If you guys have a cat that runs into walls, leave me a comment down below and let me know, because I officially think my cat has gone crazy. So I took it out of the package. It has a cute little mermaid. Aww. It says, "To you, love makeup eraser XOXO." And yeah, here's where you could get the 25% off. It's a reusable makeup removal system in the world. The #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. America's favorite makeup removal system since 2013. I've never heard of it, but okay. It kind of looks like this. It's like a square size, like pink fabric material. And it says it's eco-friendly. It only requires water. And it lasts you 3 to 5 years. Wow. Okay, so I guess you just put water on this and take your makeup off? That's crazy. I don't know how it does that, but that's really cool. And you could wash it, it says. Reusable, machine washable. Very cool. I'm gonna have to try this out. My next product is the Drunk Elephant. By the way, guys, I love Drunk Elephant. They have the best products. They are a little pricey. No, not a little. They're really pricey, like super pricey. But their products are worthwhile. They're amazing. So I got the Drunk Elephant Umbra. I almost said umbrella, but it's not an umbrella. It looks like this, the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Defense. And what it says about this product is, things have a way of working out. I was on the hunt for a zinc oxide sunscreen, and then this guy landed on my desk. I had just been a panel on sun protection hosted by top dermatologists, where I learned that there's one ingredient. And one ingredient only to look for in natural sunscreens: zinc oxide. It's the only physical blocker that's broad spectrum. When I put on Drunk Elephant formula, I was struck by two things. It rubs in total sheer. A lot of natural sunscreens are chalky, and it's fragrance free, meaning it doesn't smell like anything. I asked a few friends to try it at work too, and after a little blending, it disappeared on all skin tones. Made everyone look dewy, not oily or lotioned up. So that's cool that this is for every skin tone, and it doesn't make you look oily, and it doesn't smell like sunscreen. The original product, not the sample, looks like this. And it is $34, and you can buy it on drunkelephant.com. I also know that Sephora sells a lot of Drunk Elephant products. Okay, so my next item that I got is called Skin Fix Foaming Clay Cleanser. It looks like this. And it says, I see foaming next to cleanser and my skin feels tight and dry just thinking about all those old school soaps. This Best of Beauty winning face wash is so not one of them. It's a soothing, creamy face wash that degunks pores with kaolin clay and sulfate-free cleansers made from coconut. Ooh, coconut. It lathers a little, which made it good at taking off my foundation. But it didn't strip my skin like really sudsy cleaners can. Actually, it did the opposite. It made my cheeks feel softer than a lot of non-foaming cleansers I've tried. And since I started testing it at the end of winter, I can tell you I didn't dry out my skin in cold weather. The way it smells, fresh and cucumbery like a spa. It's so relaxing. So it is $20, and you can buy it at shop.skinfixinc.com. I'm gonna, ooh, just hit my brushes. I'm gonna smell it and see if it smells like cucumbers. It has a little thingy on it. It looks like this. It's like brown. It does smell like cucumber. It kind of just blended into my skin. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm sorry guys, I look like crap. I still have those pimples, and I went to the gym this morning, and then I went tanning, and I really wanted to get this video up since they kind of sent it to me when April was over. Like, I got it on May 1st, and it's an April box. So I just wanted to get it out there just because it's not even April anymore, and I don't know why I got this box so late, but I did. Whatever. My next product is a Biosense Squalane Phi2 Retinol Serum. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it looks like this. I'm going to take it out the box. And it looks like this. It says, I've been intrigued by Biosense ever since I heard about the brand a year ago. It's a sustainable skincare line that's made by a biotech company. The key ingredient in all the products is hydrating, stabilized squalane that's biofermented. Guys, I can't read. That's biofermented from renewable sugar cane. It's a mouthful, but in short, it made my skin dewy on the spot, and the pretty glow showed through foundation. Ooh, so I could put this on my skin before I put foundation on for like a dewy finish. I like. I know the bottle says retinol, but it actually contains bakuchiol. These words, guys, I can't. An herbal antioxidant that smooths skin a lot like retinol without the potential irritation. But my favorite thing about this product is that it also gives back. A portion of the proceeds goes to Zagaya, a nonprofit committed to eradicating malaria. Last year, their donations provided 6,000 malaria treatments. Wow, that's amazing. This product is $95 and you could buy it at Sephora.com. Honestly, if I like this product, it is very pricey, but because the donations go to help people and fight off malaria, which I don't even know what that is, I honestly would definitely invest in this product just because I love when companies don't just take all the money, but they also take some of the money to donate to help people, which I can't be more happy about that. And I love to spend my money and know that it's gonna help somebody. So that is everything. I'm gonna put it on my hand. So it looks like this. And it feels like very hydrating. And you guys see that glowy look? It doesn't really smell like anything. But I could see my hand is like glowing. So that is it for my Allure beauty box for the month of April. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Also, if there's any other videos you guys want me to film, please leave a comment down below. And also, please subscribe to my channel to join the B.Gold family so you guys can be gold with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.